What's up, YouTube? This is Crypto Timmy coming at you with another one, with another banger. What's going on, guys? You are now tuned into the Crypto Timmy Show, and I'm your host, Crypto Timmy. And for this episode, I am going to be talking about how Donald Trump is the 47th United States president. And I am going to be talking about what implications this will have on the cryptocurrency market, what implications it already has had on the cryptocurrency market. I'm going to be talking about how it will affect our favorite meme coins, such as HOPPY, such as TOAD, and also how it is going to affect the cryptocurrency market as a whole. Now, guys, I got to start this one off by saying that none of my thoughts and opinions are of a political nature. Although I am talking something that is obviously politics, we are talking the President of the United States. I am stating my thoughts and opinions simply from an investor's standpoint. And so, guys, yes, Donald Trump, it is looking, guys, most major news outlets have been announcing that Donald Trump is going to be, he is the 47th United States president. And guys, I was watching, so last night I did not get much sleep. I was excited, basically the whole night. Bitcoin was pumping, and I had a live stream, someone that was covering the news up in the right corner of my screen, and in the backdrop, I had the Bitcoin chart, and I was watching, guys, as the swing states were flipping red, Bitcoin was flipping bullish, guys. Currently, Bitcoin is trading at $74,514. It is up 8% on the 24-hour time frame, and it was even up last night. It was up around 10%, and I just want to talk about how massive, guys, it takes a lot of liquidity to move Bitcoin even a fraction of a percent, and Bitcoin was up 10% last night. And as the states such as Georgia, Pennsylvania, Wisconsin, they were all flipping red. They were all, Trump was winning in these states, which a lot of people thought that Trump would not be losing in these states, would not be winning in these states. And yet Trump was winning, and the Bitcoin price was skyrocketing, guys. It was down. It started the day yesterday at $68,600. And I was talking about the importance of not pivoting, just because a potential bad news could possibly come out about that would affect the cryptocurrency price, you might want to hold on to your positions. And I'm so glad that I held on to my positions, because as Trump was taking the lead, Bitcoin went from $68,600 all the way up. It passed 75K, guys. I was in euphoria. I was extremely excited. And yes, we got the outcome that we were looking for. We all knew that Trump was the bullish candidate. And I just want to talk about how, guys, I believe that God is involved in everything that we do, everything that we put our hands to, our investments. I believe that God is involved in presidential elections. Everything that we do, God influences. And I believe that God was with us last night, and Trump did take the lead, and it is looking like Trump will be our president. And you can't argue with the fact. Now, we're talking investments, we're talking business here, and Donald Trump is a businessman. And as it was looking like Donald Trump, the Secret Service were sending people over to Trump. Guys, Trump is headed back to the White House, and other presidents were sending out congratulations to Donald Trump. And you know what they were saying? They were saying, we are ready to do business. And I found that to be so bullish, guys. Elon Musk was by President Trump's side, guys. I believe that Donald Trump is going to be very, very good, not only for the world, not only for the United States, but for the economy, guys. The economy is going to do very well, okay? Bitcoin is proving to do very well. The stock market is up, I want to say around 2%, just based on this information. And it's just so bullish. It is just so good for crypto, guys. And I pray, and I hope, and I pray, and I do believe that the next 4 years are going to be very, very good for not only the United States, but for the world. And I am praying for peace and prosperity all of you guys, myself included, and for you guys as well. I pray that your investments go well for you. And if you're invested into cryptocurrency, I believe that that is going to be the case, guys. I believe that this is the beginning. I believe that from here we go up. I believe that this is going to be an amazing Q4 of 2024. I would not be at all surprised if Bitcoin surpassed 80K, even more than that. I wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin was touching 80K, 85. I don't want to throw any, crazy predictions out there, but the point that I am making is that things are going to go good for us, guys. I'm very excited. My portfolio is doing very well in the last 24 hours, especially from last night going into this morning. And so, yes, guys, this is great news. We should all be celebrating, regardless of what your political standpoint is. This is a good thing for the economy, for the United States, and for the world. And so, guys, of course, Bitcoin is going to benefit from this. It already is. It already has. I wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin went further into price discovery today and went past 75K. But guys, we all know that when Bitcoin moves, the altcoins follow, and of course the meme coins follow. And let's just talk about two of our favorites, guys. I've been covering in recent episodes. We all know how much I love Hoppy. Turbo is included in this, although I am not going to be mentioning Turbo directly. But let's talk Hoppy, and then we'll also talk a little bit about Toad. So right now, Hoppy is trading at 0.000278. It is at a $117.7 million market cap. It is up 15%, guys. We got to take progress. It's not up 50% but guys, 15% is a significant jump. It is up. It is above a $100 million market cap. $117 million in market cap is great. And I believe that in the near future, Hoppy is going to be hundreds of millions of dollars in market cap. I believe that Hoppy is one of the best meme coins that you can invest in at this point in time. So Hoppy is going to do great. And then let's just talk a little bit about Toad. I told you guys a couple of days ago I got in on Toad. I was lucky enough. I was sniping Toad at 6 million, 7 million, 8 million. And right now, Toad is currently trading at 0.703. It is at a $10.4 million market cap. And I believe now Toad is not at all married to Bitcoin. And I want to say neither is Hoppy at this point. But of course, when Bitcoin pumps, it is going to pump. And Toad is actually down, I want to say 10 or 15% on the 24-hour time frame. But I'm not discouraged, guys. What I would do with Toad, this is my opinion, obviously not financial advice. I would just put a little bit in. If it was me, and this is what I have done, I put a little bit more than a little bit, but I think that a $10.4 million market cap is a great entry for Toad, and I think that, and we're talking Toad on Solana, the coin that is up thousands of percent on the monthly time frame. In the last week, it has gone parabolic, and it retraced. It was at a $22 million market cap, and I think that a $10.4 million market cap is a great entry. It could very well go up, very well from here. And you got to keep in mind, guys, don't bet the farm on this one. Just, you might want to keep it on your watch list, keep it on your radar, keep an eye on it, see how it's doing. But I do believe I'm already up in my investment. I was up, yesterday it was touching $15 million in market cap, and I was up, much more, but I'm still up. It's at 10.4 million. My average price entry was around a 7 million. So I'm doing very good on that one. If you guys have been following, what I'm doing, you would be also up in profits. And also, let's not forget Hoppy, guys. I called Hoppy. I was talking about Hoppy at various stages, but I put out an episode. If you want to go ahead and check through my previous episodes, I put out an episode when Hoppy was at a $20 million market cap. That was my heaviest entry point. And I talked about how Hoppy would be like buying Pepe at a $20 million market cap, guys. And if you were watching my videos at that point in time and you may have been influenced by what I was doing with my investments, you would be up around a 5x, even more than a 5x right now. And so, guys, I think all things considered, we are looking great. I am so glad that I did not sell my positions. I had a feeling things were going to work out the way that they did. And obviously they did. And guys, I believe that we go up from here. Okay. I believe that the next, tomorrow, the Federal Reserve, today and tomorrow, the Federal Reserve is meeting. They may be cutting the interest rates further. And should they do that, whether it be 25 basis points, whether it be 50 basis points, even if they don't cut the rates, today and, tomorrow when they make the announcement, I still believe things are going to look great. But if they do cut the interest rates again, that is going to be extremely bullish. And I think that there could be another very rapid leg up. I believe, like I said, I would not be at all surprised if Bitcoin was touching 80K in the very near future, guys. It's going to be a very big Q4, guys. I am so excited to be on this ride with you guys. I love you all, and I thank you all so much for the support. And guys, that's all I have on this episode. Trump 2024. It is looking like Donald Trump is the 2024 president of the United States. I'm extremely excited. And guys, if you enjoy my content, go ahead, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and smash the bell notification so you can see when I have content coming out. It's going to be coming out on a regular basis for you guys. Guys, this is Crypto Timmy signing out. Peace. I'll see you in the next one.